Hello everyone, welcome back to a new price prediction update on OGN. We'll be taking a look at some of the things that happened in the 1 hour in the previous several days, and just analyzing some of the things that I see. Okay, is the price going to continue in the downtrend, or are we going to see a reversal in the next couple of days? So if you guys like this types of analysis, please like and subscribe, and let's take a look at the analysis. Okay, so guys, we drawn before that we had here. We saw that there was a big resistance at these levels here, okay, at about 0.73, okay. 0.73 was a huge resistance level because we wicked down there and we retested back several times, okay. So this is a very crucial level for OGN for it to go back there, okay. So we know this is a very heavy level of resistance. We also know that for several times we were in this range in the market here for several hours, and there was a big imbalance here, okay. So as you can see here, this bullish imbalance that we see here needed to be filled back, okay. And I stated that I want to see price come back to these levels, which fortunately it did come back, okay. So this is a good sign. We see the similar waves here and the similar patterns happening here, okay. So as of now, we saw that we were in the uptrend as well for quite some time, and we know that there was big imbalance here that still needs to be filled. So that's why I'm very bullish on the project and wanted to see that price fill back up, okay. But as of now, we see price recently decline with the whole market, with the whole projects in the market declining as well. So it's not just OGN, and that's why I still I'm holding on into it, and I still believe there's a lot of potential for it. Okay, so if you take a look here, we can see that we are currently creating a level of support area at about 0.46. So also I wanted to state that with these levels here, we know that we have drawn as well before a level of support that never has touched yet, okay. So could we see price for OGN potentially come back to these levels? Maybe, okay. Hopefully it does, because in my opinion it will fully finish coming back to the imbalance that we had before, okay. So as you see here, there's a big imbalance that still needs to be filled here at about 0.42. So I still want to see price for OGN to drop a little bit, and it also gives advantage for other investors and other people that are not in the project yet to get on it, okay. So it's a win-win situation in my opinion. You're still dollar cost and average on the project and getting into it at a better price entry, while also we're analyzing some of the things that's going on with it. So as you can see here, we are currently we created this level of support, like I stated, 0.47. So what I want to see price happen is we saw here a big rally up when we were oversold in the RSI. So I want to see price come back here, retest back at levels of about 0.46 before we continue to the upside, okay. And some of the potential markets that it can reach up to, since we are in this range of market right now, and we have a 1 hour order block before that happened. So I want to see price actually retest these levels here first at about 0.52 before we could see potential uprise to about 0.58, and that's what I want to see price happen for OGN. Also, unfortunately, if we do break these levels of support areas here, we could see a rally back down to the previous levels of resistance that we had here, which is about these levels here, so about 0.44, okay. So this is still a very key important level here, and if we do break these levels here, we could potentially see a level of support create here at the levels that we had before, because as you can see, these levels here were very important because we created a double bottom here as well, and this was before the big rally happened, okay. So we could see similar things happen again, because the past sometimes reflects to the future. So if that happens, if we create a potential support level at these areas, we could see a potential rise back up to about 0.52. And that's where I want to see price happen for OGN. But if we unfortunately break these levels here, we still got another critical support level at about 0.44. So price could still retest back here before going to the upside, okay. But I'm still bullish on it. Hopefully we could retest back to the previous high here at about 0.74. But we still have to go step by step, okay. So first reach 0.53 and then hopefully retest back at 0.58. I still do believe into it, like I said, but hopefully, we see some volume increase a little bit in the next few days, okay? So just keep in mind these critical two levels of support here that we created before. Just see if price actually respects these levels of demand And if they do, then we could see potential rise here to about 0.53 in the short term. Alright guys, just a quick analysis video on OGN. If you guys found any value and like these types of analysis, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.